The general process for selecting the correct algorithm and license to achieve the correct results is as follows. Firstly, decide exactly what it is that needs to be monitored and detected. This could be motion detection, entering and exiting an area, stopping in an area, loitering, object left or object removed, license plate recognition, line crossing, presence in an area, and many more. Check the documentation to get an idea of the possibilities. Another important aspect is, when will the monitoring take place? Will it be continuous or specific time blocks, weekdays, office hours, or so on? These decisions will have an impact on the camera and other hardware selection. Think of how the drive space requirements will differ between continuous recording versus only recording Wednesdays between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. Also, the distance from the camera to the target area plays a role in camera selection. Initially, simple motion detection will be used in the tutorial. Once the what decision has been made, the where or scene can be discussed. Will it be busy or quiet? Will the light be constant or varying? And will there be a possibility of flares, bugs flying past, or car headlamps being detected as motion? The tutorial will start by using a reasonably sterile indoor scene with very little motion. The setup requirements for most video analytics will most importantly be a second camera stream that can be configured to a low resolution. This is important as it allows the algorithm to function more efficiently and quicker. A pre-configured database with sufficient storage space is also needed if recordings are a requirement. Then of course, schedules are also needed to satisfy the when requirements. Now the correct algorithm can be selected, licensed, and loaded. The selection of the algorithm will be based on the previous steps. There is a link to a downloadable document showing a matrix of requirement versus algorithm versus license. This will assist in choosing the correct algorithm and license. Basically, how the matrix works is, whatever trigger is needed, choose the algorithm, and purchase the associated license. In the video, basic VMD will be needed and no additional license because it is included with the VMS software. Lastly, the actions taken when the what is correctly detected. It can be recording a camera, controlling a PTZ camera, controlling an I/O device, playing a sound, activating an alarm, sending a message, or a combination of these and more. For the purpose of our tutorial, recording the camera at a higher resolution and displaying an on-screen message will be the action taken when the what is correctly detected. After this is all set up and completed, some tweaking of the setup might be required to eliminate any false triggers or anomalies. That essentially is the setup process. Thank you for watching.